this video, we are reviewing the Teneyuuo 8 Counts Rechargeable 2/3 AAA 100 mAh 1.2 volt NiMH batteries, designed specifically for solar lights and other small devices. These batteries are shorter than standard AAA batteries, so it's important to check your device's battery size before purchasing. First, let's talk about the package. You get 8 2/3 AAA NiMH batteries, each with a capacity of 100 mAh and a voltage of 1.2 volts. They have a button-top design and dimensions of 0.39 inches in diameter and 1.18 inches in height. That's 10 millimeters by 30 millimeters. So they are the same diameter as AAA, but about 2/3 the height. The batteries come pre-charged to about 30% for transportation. It is recommended to fully charge them before first use to ensure optimal performance. The batteries are made of nickel metal hydride, which is environmentally friendly, containing no mercury, cadmium, or lead. They are stable and rechargeable, making them harmless to the environment when disposed of properly. These batteries are widely used in DIY LED solar lights, yard replacement lights, lawn lights, Halloween decoration lights, small bulb lights, solar lanterns, and garden solar lights. Essentially any device that requires 2/3 AAA-sized batteries. In our tests, we used these batteries in several solar garden lights. They fit perfectly and provided consistent power. The lights worked well during the night after a full day of charging. The runtime was comparable to other NiMH batteries we've tested. We also charged them using a standard NiMH charger, and they charged without any issues. One thing to note is that because these are 2/3 AAA size, they are not compatible with standard AAA battery compartments unless the compartment has a spacer or is designed specifically for shorter batteries. So double-check your device's battery compartment size. Overall, the build quality seems good. The button-top terminals ensure good contact in most devices. The price is reasonable for an 8-pack, especially for a specialty size like this. In conclusion, if you have solar lights or other devices that use 2/3 AAA batteries, these Teneyuuo rechargeable batteries are a solid choice. They are environmentally friendly, come pre-charged, and offer good performance. Remember to fully charge them before first use and ensure they fit your device. That's it for this review. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.